Good morning, everyone.
Hello, everybody.
We had so much fun last night.
Oh, we found this little spot on the beach. They had the best little tropical drinks. It was fun.
Yeah, probably a little too much fun.
That's right. We wanted to get up a little earlier today, but need your sleep.
Yeah, we needed some sleep. Matt and Lee are getting ready to go. We're gonna go walk the beach. But I just wanted to show you guys our view this morning. The beach just looks so perfect and pretty and amazing. There's a chance for rain later on.
Yeah.
So we're gonna try to enjoy the beach now.
While we can.
Go get some breakfast and then
do a little shopping when it starts raining.
See where the day takes us. Yeah. I only got burnt on my legs because I forgot to put sunscreen on my legs. So that was a fail on my part. But everything else is okay. Thank God. So let's go to the beach. To the beach
again. Nice morning walk on the beach.
It's so much nicer this morning.
Oh, it is. It's nice.
The sun is out. It's a little warmer. It's still a little windy, but we're enjoying ourselves.
We are. We're gonna go
to breakfast.
Go to breakfast. Get a little coffee cop.
Yes. The boys are looking at some jet skis right now. They want to rent. They want to do something adventurous.
Yeah. They were talking about parasailing, and we kind of
talked them out of it. It's just not, I mean, it's cool for a minute, but we think they'd have more fun doing something hands-on.
What else are we doing today? We're gonna go
see my grandpa. He's down here part of the year, so he's like a 45-minute drive, and it's supposed to maybe rain, so we might go shopping, just explore where he's at. So yeah, we're excited.
Something smells good right
Yeah, I'm starving. So let's go eat. Breakfast, we're at Beverly's. We're excited.
Sorry, I was reading the menu. We are at Beverly's.
Beverly's La Jose. We got our breakfast. It looks so good. Everyone's
so good.
Okay, dig in. We're walking down the pier. We made it to Bradenton Beach.
Yep, Cortez
Beach.
But yeah.
In Bradenton.
Yep.
And we're walking down this pier. It's so cute.
Spin around, show them the ocean.
Right here.
Yeah, here we go.
My hair is crazy. It's windy.
A little bit windy. There's rain to the north of us. I think it's going to skirt right by us, but
hopefully.
I might go do a little shopping. We'll show you guys me and Brookie's favorite shopping spot.
Yes. My Monday's looking like this. Just soaking up the sun. It's the best.